Destiny, you got a 100. Good job. Charmel, you got a 0. Now, Charmel, you did a good job, but you should try harder, okay? All right. Dina,
Can I use the bathroom?
no, we're doing something. Okay.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Sure.
Why didn't you let me go to the bathroom?
Are you trying to interrupt class? Or are you trying to be rude?
No, I just wanted to use the bathroom.
Do you want me to send you to Miss Williams?
I don't care.
Stop interrupting class. Joel, where is he?